Patty, I think you can maybe relate to that.
Yeah, absolutely. I always, when I think about um, eating animals, I think like in the grocery store, I'll say to myself, there's death row.
Yeah, there's death row, and as
But
you walk on by,
it makes me sick to think about it. Yeah, definitely.
yeah,
But my big thing is the is Fattie Pattie.
Fattie Patty.
And Fattie Pattie is not only not attractive, but she has no control over anything. So
Fattie
that's
Patty also hides and doesn't want to be seen.
that's right. That's
And
right.
also doesn't speak up and show her brilliance, right?
Yes, that's right. That's right. Sorry about the barking.
That's okay.
They bark as soon as I'm talking. I don't know what it is.
That's okay. They want to be heard.
I know.
Ridley wants to give me 47 kisses.
She does, absolutely. Those are two things that work for me all the time.
So Plant Power Patty, she shines at work. She says yes to invitations.
Yep,
She knows what to eat. She knows what to do for her health.
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. And the thought of eating animals is just repugnant.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So sometimes thinking about the other aspects of veganism can really work.
Yes.
And I know, Jerry, you were talking about the calves and the cows with the milk industry, and that helped you with the dairy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's been years since I've ate meat, but my biggest problem was giving up the dairy. And so when I saw those things, that's when it finally clicked for me. It helped to have, it wasn't enough to just do it for my health or whatever, but when it became something, also bigger than myself is when it clicked.
Yeah.
That's a really good point. When it's something bigger than yourself that you can grab onto and be a part of, it really feels good.
Mhm.